Welcome to Sheet Leveler. I'm Lee. In this video, I'll be showing you how to edit a drop-down list in Excel. We'll be using two examples to demonstrate two different ways of editing a drop-down list, one with a longer list of items and one with a shorter list. For the longer list of items, we'll be editing a drop-down list of months to include only 3 spring months. To do this, click on the cell that contains the drop-down list, then click on the Data tab. In the section Data Tools, go to Data Validation. In the pop-up menu that appears, go to the tab Settings and click into the box Source. Excel will take you to the location of the source cells for this drop-down list. Then highlight the information in the source box and press Delete. Now select only the months you need, and you can notice how the information in the section Source has changed accordingly. Double check everything is correct and confirm with OK. Ta-da! The drop-down menu has been edited and now displays only the items you have included in the source. For the shorter list, we'll be adding an extra option of Maybe to a list of yes and no. To do this, click on the cell with the drop-down list, go to Data and then go to Data Validation. As the source here is text, simply type in Maybe at the end of the line and remember to separate it with a comma. To add the third option, click OK and the list has been updated. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in showing you how to easily edit a drop-down list in Excel. If you want to know how to remove the list completely, watch our next video tutorial. If you'd like to learn more, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to receive more videos from Sheet Leveler. Thanks for watching.